Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons continue on into the Grade 4 ABRSM Discovering Music Theory workbook, my lessons now move on to Chapter 4, where we begin to look even further at the topic of keys and scales. And here we learn the technical names for the degrees of the scale, so rather than just giving each degree of the scale a number, we now give it its official technical name. We also move on to major keys now with 5 sharps and 5 flats, looking at the new keys of B major and D flat major. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you can find the full lesson there, and you can find links to that lesson in the cards and in the description box below. After this short little video, you can see sample examples of this lesson to show you how I work with you step by step through every single exercise, working through this chapter just as if I were sitting right next to you. And once you feel that you're ready to take your ABRSM Grade 4 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints to best revise for your exam, how to be best prepared, and also how to make the very best use of your time when you're actually taking the exam. This book is available from Amazon in either ebook or paperback format, and you can find the links to that in the cards and in the description box below. All of the information can also be found on my website. If you visit www.sharonbill.com, you'll find everything you need there. Enjoy your studies. Bye. Now it's called the tonic because it's the tone key. Home, as it were, so the home key, so we've looked at that one. Now the next one we're going to look at is the dominant, the fifth, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a G. And so if we look at G, I'm going to put it up an octave because we're counting, use that one there, counting upwards for now. Now the dominant is called as such because it dominates the key. It's the strongest harmony. When we look at the chords, we'll see that the chord built on chord 5 is the one that leaves you really hanging. And also the dominant note is the next key that you would go to. It's the strongest link in the key, so it dominates the harmonies. So that's the dominant note. Then we have the subdominant. So the 4th degree of the scale, F. Sub means lower, and so it's the lower 5th. So the dominant is the 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The subdominant is the lower 5th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we're counting backwards from C, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And yes, the 7th degree of the scale is raised. It doesn't change the fact that that is still the leading note. That's the leading note in a harmonic minor scale. And so we know the 5th is the dominant. That's the one that dominates the key. And the 3rd is the mediant that forms the middle of the triad. And do remember the circle of fifths that will do all of the thinking for you, because if you notice we start at the point of C major, and this way you'll also get your relative minors as well, but we'll just look at the majors for now. If you count upwards in 5s, that will give you your sharp keys. So if we count from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, always counting C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that gives us G major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gives us D major, the next key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A major, the next key, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, E major, the next key, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gives us B major, and we're always adding 1 sharp, so we go from F sharps to F C, F C G, F C G D, and then finally F C G D A. And we know that in a major scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we know that 3 to 4 and 7 to 8 are semitones. Otherwise it wouldn't be a major scale, it'd be a different sort of scale. That's always the major scale pattern. This is why we have to have all of these sharps to make this arrangement of tone, tone, semitone. We need to add sharps or flats to make this arrangement of tones and semitones. And so you could just work it out from the keynote, from B, a whole tone, a semitone, but that's just such a long, laborious process. But if ever you're not quite sure, you know that it must be tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone to make the major scale pattern. Is it true or false that the submediant of B major is G sharp? So we know that the submediant is the sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the key signature of B major is F, C, G sharps. The sixth is indeed G sharp, and so that one is true.